to clear all previous activity on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on the three lines at the top right. And here, click on Account Center. After you're in the Account Center, scroll down and click on Your Information and Permissions. Here, click on Your Activity of Meta Technologies. Then, you'll find Clear Previous Activity. Click on Clear Previous Activity. Press on Clear at the top, and you're good to go. After you do that, everything will be cleared. And this is how to clear all previous activity on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.